many of you friends have these custom tags on Discord profile. How to get it for yourself fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me, move here to discover and move here to servers and find official Discord server like Valorant. After you join a server like me, you will see here adopt tag. Click on it. After you do this, I show you on my Discord profile. As you can see, I get my custom profile tag. And that's it all guys for this video. How to get Discord tags on your profile for free. Just join Discord servers. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.